Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a tryout, and a review on these Revolution products. With that being said, let's get this started. First, we have the Batman x Revolution Makeup Revolution London, and it has Harley Quinn in the front, and it's a lip kit. So it has a lip liner and a lipstick. The next product is the Batman x Revolution Makeup Revolution London, and it's the Graphic Artist Palette. Now let's go ahead and unbox them. And the name of this one is Dangerous Red. It has a tabby at the front too, right there. So this Graphic Artist Palette seems like it needs to be wet. It reminds me of the Athena Artist Palette, and it looks very velvety. I'm gonna try and swatch it like that. Oh yeah, it needs water. Well, I'm gonna try it with water. You can barely see that. Very dry, not that much color if you do that. So I put some water on the lid side. You guys can see it moving. And I'm gonna dip the brush there, and then I'm gonna dip it on the actual color and apply it. Oh yeah, it's showing up on my eyelid with water. Okay guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I do have to start off with the lip combo. I mixed mine a little bit, as you can tell. And let me tell you, 5 out of 5. I really like this. The lipstick is really cute. It's like a lip balm with glitter, but it still transfers on really red. I don't know if you guys can see that. Also, the lip liner, black, really nice, really smooth. I like it. I did like that I thought about putting water because it looked a little too dry just by itself. As you can see, I used it a lot. I tried different looks before I ended up with this one. So I tried the blue, the pink, and I just didn't, something wasn't good about it. So, and it wasn't the palette, it was just me that I wanted to change it up. So then I ended up being with this red and then black combo, and I put little hearts like for Harley Quinn to match up with the look. I do have to say that I like how the black shows up. It shows up like eyeliner. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but in person you can see it very well. So I do have to say I like this one. The one that wasn't showing up on me was the white one. All of these are really good if you're trying to make a look for like Halloween, cosplay, even for your regular everyday makeup, especially if you don't like to use the eyeliner pen, the eyeliner liquid, any of that, and you want to use something like this that you can just like dip it in water and then put it on. This is your palette. It dries up really fast and it does not budge, it does not move. Total rating for all of this, I would give it a 5 out of 5. These are very small, and you guys can put them like in your purse, in your backpack, wherever you put it, even in the pocket of your jeans. This brings us to the end of the video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these, and if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.